Welcome to Virtual Reality. Today we'll be unboxing the Quest 2. Are you ready? So first things, let's get this out of the box. Well, the courier box. My knife is very dull, sorry about that. Now I'll use my pro unboxing skills to take a box out of another box. We have two. Did not expect that. So here we have the 64 gig and the 256 gig. The design of this box is much better than the Oculus Quest 1. I like the white and the cardboard earthy tones, very nice. Let's see if I can get this out of the box, first try. And it got stuck. Yes, there we go. So inside the box we have the headset, two touch controllers, we got the glasses spacer. And inside this little box, I think it's the manual. Yes, here's the manual. With a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. And the fast charging brick. The batteries in the Quest 2 controllers come pre-installed this time. Let's have a closer look to the Quest 2 headset itself. White this time, not black. I like the black more. I think the white's going to get dirty very easy, but this looks very sleek.